Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for the. I wanted to express my gratitude to the National Human Rights Center of Uzbekistan for this opportunity to be a part of the co-organizers of this event and for this being a part of this very interesting discussion. When you look at the climate change, environmental issues through the prism of human rights. And as a continuation of these discussions, I'm pleased to present the progress and future plans of the United Nations Multi-Partner Human Security Trust Fund for the Aral Sea region in Uzbekistan. Our journey has been one of dedicated and collaboration aimed at addressing the severe environmental and socio-economic challenges posed by the Aral Sea catastrophe. At the heart of our mission is the concept of human securities. It addressed the broad range of securities, including the economic, food, health, environmental, and so-called social insecurities. But the concept also stipulates the investments to be human-centered, region-specific, as well as comprehensive and preventive. By prioritizing human security, we aim to create a foundation for sustainable development and resilience in the Aral Sea region. Over the 70 years, the volume of the water in the Aral Sea has decreased by more than 15 times, transforming one of the world's largest lakes into a fraction of its original size. Today, many speakers has already mentioned about the Aral Sea crisis and the triple planetary crisis that involved the climate change, nature, and pollution. The crisis had far-reaching impact on entire communities, economies, and ecosystems. The people of Karkalpakstan have faced significant hardships, including a shortage of drinking water, increased morbidity, reduced employment and income generation opportunities, and the degradation of flora and fauna. Addressing these issues requires a holistic and coordinated approach. At the 72nd session of the United Nations General Assembly, President of Uzbekistan, Shavkat Mirziyoyev, highlighted the severe of the Aral Sea catastrophe, calling it one of the most acute environmental problems of our time. He emphasized the need for active international effort to overcome the consequences of the Aral Sea disaster. This call to action led to the establishment of the UN Aral Sea Trust Fund, aimed at mobilizing global resources and expertise to address this crisis. In November 2018, on the margins of the 73rd session of the UN General Assembly, the Trust Fund was established at the initiative of the government of Uzbekistan. UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres has strongly supported the establishment of the Trust Fund for the Aral Sea region. He emphasized the need to extend collaboration and resources to make the fund's vision a reality. He applied to donor nations to contribute to the fund, which can consolidate and expand gains and serve as a model for future actions worldwide. His words highlight the importance of partnership and political leadership in the achieving of sustainable development. This is the government structure of our trust fund. We have our steering committee, and I can say that every donor who contributed to the trust fund has his own seat in the steering committee. Also, we have seats for the national and local governments, and also for local NGOs. Also, having the limited seats in a steering committee, we understand that we cannot create the single platform for the Aral Sea region. That's why it was decided to establish the advisory committee for sustainable development of the Aral Sea region. But today, we have more than 100 participants of this advisory committee and 3 working groups on data and assessments, sustainable investment, and the visibility. As a result of this work of the advisory committee, the integrated roadmap for sustainable development of the Aral Sea region was developed together with the participants of the advisory committee and adopted by the government of Uzbekistan. These are only the few results of our projects we have implemented. Over the past 5 years, the Trust Fund for the Aral region has made significant strides in improving the lives of the people in Pakistan. Our support has enabled 7 joint programs, which a total investment of $13.5 million, directly benefiting over 290,000 people in the Pakistan. Let me highlight a few of them. Access to clean water. One of our primary goals was to improve access to clean and safe drinking water. Through our programs, we have rehabilitated and constructed water supply infrastructure, ensuring that thousands of households now have reliable access to potable water. This has significantly reduced waterborne diseases and improved overall health outcomes. On healthcare, we have enhanced healthcare services by upgrading medical facilities and providing essential medical equipment. Our programs have focused on maternal and child health, resulting in reduced infant mortality rates and better healthcare for mothers. On employment and livelihoods, to tackle the economic challenge in the region, we have created numerous employment opportunities. Our programs have supported vocational trainings and skills development, enabling individuals to secure stable jobs and improve their incomes. On education, education has been a key focus area. We have renovated schools and provided educational materials, ensuring that children have access to quality education. Additionally, our capacity building initiatives have equipped local communities with the knowledge and skills needed to drive sustainable development in their own regions. On environmental restoration, the Aral catastrophe has led to significant environmental degradations. Our environmental restoration programs have focused on reforestation and soil improvement projects, which have helped to restore degraded lands and improve biodiversity. We have prioritized community engagement by involving local stakeholders in our programs. This has fostered social cohesion and ensured that the interventions are aligned with the needs and priorities of local communities. Our programs have targeted on 8 most affected northern districts of Pakistan, where the impact of Aral catastrophe are the most severe. By focusing our efforts on these areas, we have been able to address the critical needs of the population, provided essential services and support to improve their quality of life. As of June 2024, thanks to our donors, we have mobilized $16.2 million in pooled funding from various governments and organizations. The government of Uzbekistan has contributed $6.5 million, while other significant contributors have come from Norway, the European Union, Finland, Korea, Germany, and Al-Walid Philanthropies. The strong international support demonstrates the global commitments to addressing the challenge in the Aral region. And I wanted to just highlight that the first operational cycle of our trust fund is being finalized, and the steering committee of trust fund has made decision to initiate the second operational cycle until 2030. So we have conducted the needs assessment survey to understand the local people's priorities, the problems and priorities. Also, we will conduct the external evaluation of our first operational cycle, and by October, hopefully by October this year, we will have the new strategy. And we really rely on our current and potential donors to contribute to our strategy, both with the new ideas or by the implementation of joint initiatives. Thank you very much.